explore how hypnosis and your unique blueprint can help you take control of your life and design the reality that you want. And here's the thing, hypnosis can help you reprogram your mind and overcome limiting beliefs to become more in alignment with your unique human design. It's true. However, let's ask some questions here. Have you ever felt like life is happening to you rather than feeling in control of it? And really, are we ever in control, right? So, do you find yourself repeating these patterns over and over again, and these patterns no longer serve you? Or are you struggling to achieve your goals? If this is you, listen in, because I truly believe that each person has a unique blueprint or a set of innate traits and characteristics that make us who we are, right? By understanding and working with this blueprint, we can truly tap into our full potential and create the reality that we truly desire. So I'm a walking example of this. If you don't know me already, I'm a 5/1 manifester, emotional manifester, left ankle cross of education, single definition. So we're going to be talking a lot about what I just said and what that means. I have 5 out of the 9 energy centers undefined. And through hypnosis techniques, I discovered human design around 2016. So I was doing the years, Ra says about 7 years. You go through this process of 7 years of deconditioning. So this year, I'm in my 8th year of deconditioning, and I finally put it together, hypnosis and my human design. And this is what I did to basically redesign or design the reality that I want. And through hypnosis techniques, we can guide reality and influence how we want to affect the field. We'll talk more about that. Ra talks about the field and how to work with the subconscious mind and work with it in a co-creative way so that the subconscious mind works as an ally in this healing process of deconditioning. And so by reprogramming these limiting beliefs at the subconscious level, we can break free from old patterns that do hold us back. And so these hypnosis techniques, we learn about creating a conscious strategy and taking intentional actions toward what it was what it is, what that image is that we truly desire. And most of us don't know what it is we want. We have no clue. I ask 8 out of 10 people and they have no idea what they truly desire. They basically project back what it is they're conditioned to say they desire.